Hello, good day. I welcome you all to this video. I'm trying to test the prompt on with Chat GPT by writing a good book description for the title Affiliate Marketing Secrets for Beginners, while the subtitle is a proven step-by-step business guide that experts use to earn six figures from their comfort zone. Using the above details, write a captivating book description with years of experience with author's name as Wayne Wisdom Case Meets. I'm going to try this out on Chat GPT. Okay, now I've logged into my Chat GPT. Now let me paste the prompt here now. Okay, this is the outcome of the prompt, but this one doesn't suit what I want. Okay, let's read through this. In Affiliate Marketing Guide for Beginners, seasoned affiliate marketing guru Wisdom K shared years of invaluable experience to guide you on a transformative path to his success. Whether you are a complete novice or someone looking to enhance their affiliate marketing skills, this book is your roadmap to achieving six figures from the comfort of your own, drawing from the wealth of experience accumulated over years of dedication and hard work. Wisdom Case Meets unravel the mysteries of affiliate marketing and provide you with a comprehensive blueprint for building a thriving online business. This book is not just another run of mind guide. It is a mastercard in affiliate marketing secrets that has been tried, tested, and proven by industry experts. Inside this page, you will discover. Okay, now I think I'm okay with this thing. This prompt now. The outcome of this prompt, what I'm going to do is that when I try to publish this book, I'm going to remove all these emoji, because the platform in which I want to publish this book, I don't think there's they allow this emoji, unlike this Amazon KDP that allow emoji in which you can input some emojis while trying to write your book description. But I think I'm okay with this. I'm going to proofread through the other details I have here. This is how to run a good prompt while trying to use Chat GPT. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to your friend. I'll be expecting you. Please try this. Try out this prompt. I want to see your outcome. See you in the next video. Bye.